Hey everyone, welcome to Master Python and GitHub with real-world projects. So why learn Python? Well, Python has been consistently popular for the past 5 years, and you can see that according to Google Trends, it's above even JavaScript, SQL, C++, and Java. Also, the average salary for Python developers in London is £75,000 a year. So what can you do with Python? Well, the real question is, what can you not do with Python? But this includes things like building websites, creating client applications, GUI applications, data visualization, speech recognition, and also handling SQL, as well as many other things. So who is this course for? Well, it's for absolute beginners to programming, but also it's for those coming from another programming background like, say, JavaScript, and also those wanting to take their Python to the next level. So how you'll learn in this course? Well, there's 4 different ways of learning. This includes lectures, quizzes, coding exercises, but most important of all is projects. Let's take a look at that in a bit more detail. So we're going to be building a Python portfolio with GitHub. So every time that you complete a project, you're going to be doing some homework where you use Git, which is a technology that talks to GitHub, which is going to have your own personal accounts, where you can have a portfolio of all of your projects on your own GitHub account for the whole world to see. So what you learn in this course, you'll of course learn about Python in-depth level with things like decorators and object-oriented programming. You'll be using Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab along the way. You'll also be using Git and GitHub extensively throughout this course with your projects. You'll be covering different data types and how to handle them like CSV and JSON, creating GUI applications with tkinter, creating client applications with Click, using speech recognition, SQLite for handling databases and tables, Matplotlib for data visualization, Beautiful Soup for web scraping websites, and PyPy for deploying your own Python packages for the whole world to see. There's also a money-back guarantee, 100% risk-free, with no questions asked, and it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So who am I? Well, I'm Michael S. Russell. I have a bachelor's in petroleum engineering. I have a master's in financial mathematics. I've been programming in Python since 2016, and I work for big tech companies like Cognizant Technology Solutions. So what you achieve in this course in the end is a certificate of completion, in-demand programming skills, built practical Python apps, and lastly a GitHub portfolio of Python projects. So if you like what you've seen here, check out the preview videos and I'll see you in the course. Thanks.